Power of the 3D AI engine, based on video 3D AI engine power.mp4, from a strategic and architectural lens. Explainer, Power of the 3D AI engine. By AI architect, Pradeep K. Suri. Brain 1. Introduction to the 3D AI engine. The 3D AI engine is a visual and computational representation of a deep neural network, DNN, that simulates human-like decision-making across multiple enterprise domains. Its three-dimensional layout represents not only layered complexity but also real-time responsiveness, capturing inputs, processing logic, and actionable outputs simultaneously. 2. Multi-dimensional thinking. Unlike flat 2D models, this 3D engine illustrates how inputs from various domains such as HR, finance, procurement, healthcare, and education are concurrently processed. It supports parallel learning, domain-specific decision-making, cross-functional intelligence sharing. 3. Engine structure. The video highlights. Input layer, accepts real-time data streams from ERPs, sensors, APIs. Hidden layers, 3D grid represent AI neurons distributed in depth, width, and height mirroring brain-like cognition. Output layer, delivers predictions, alerts, and strategy recommendations to specific business units. Each neuron in this 3D grid uses mathematical models like y equals sigma, wx plus w2x2 plus wx, where sigma is the activation function, such as sigmoid, ReLU, or 10. Bar chart 4. Domain integration. This engine is not domain-bound. It scales horizontally across package logistics for route optimization, money bag finance for fraud prediction, DNA healthcare for diagnosis assistance, books education ISO 21001 for personalized learning, woman office worker HRMIS for performance forecasting. All using the same neural logic, but with domain-specific inputs and outcomes. 5. Intelligence feedback loop. The video shows a loopback mechanism where the output is continuously evaluated and refed as input. This enables self-correction, dynamic retraining, behavioral learning, example employee engagement or student performance trends. 6. Business impact. With its high-speed processing and multi-domain adaptability, the 3D AI engine enables faster decisions, improved accuracy, predictive risk mitigation, strategic foresight for CXOs. This is especially critical for AI-powered ERP, where forecasting, alerts, and optimization are needed in real time. 7. Mentors closing note. This 3D AI engine isn't just a model, it's a mindset shift. It empowers organizations to shift from reactive decisions to predictive strategy, from isolated departments to integrated intelligence. Pradeep K. Suri.